Hi, come on in. Today I am going to be showing you how to do the UK treble crochet, which is the equivalent in US terms of a double crochet. So to do this stitch, we start in the third chain from the hook. So we don't include the one on our hook, and we count backwards, so that's 1, 2, and we work into this third chain. Now to make the UK treble US double equivalent, we put the yarn around our hook, we go in through the chain, put the yarn around our hook and pull back through. We have 3 loops on our hook. Put the yarn around your hook, pull through 2, put it around your hook and pull through the final 2, and that is our UK treble. Do that again into the next one. Wool around, forming 2 on your hook, put it through your chain stitch, put the yarn around your hook and pull it back through, and you have 3 loops on that hook. The yarn around your hook, pull through only 2 of those loops, that leaves 2 on your hook, the yarn around and pull through that final 2, and that is your next one. Repeat it again, wool round, in through that chain, wool round and pull back through, 3 loops, wool round, pull through 2, wool round and pull through 2, and that's how you make this particular stitch. Now if you want to, you can pause this video and finish your swatch. If however you're unsure, you can rewind and follow what I've done in the previous ones. I'll meet you at the end here so that I can show you what to do next. So you've made your UK trebles, US equivalent double crochets, and I've come to my last chain stitch here, which I will just finish off my last stitch in. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. Now to finish this one off, we will chain 2 and turn our work. We chain 2 to give us the height to meet our UK trebles. Now we'll be working into this loop right here, but first we put the wool around our hook. We go in through that hole, going underneath both of that loops in that particular stitch, that V stitch right there. Wool around, pull it back through, giving us that 3 loops. Wool round, pull through 2, wool round and pull through 2, and we'll repeat that again. In through that hole there, going through both that loops in the V stitch. Wool round, pull up a loop, wool round, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And that is how you work a UK treble or a US double. I'll link how to finish off ends here for you so you can see that. Thank you for joining me and keeping me company. I'll see you in the next one.